Hello, this is Emmanuel Kwe at Magnolia Healthcare. Today's video is the next in our series on food as medicine. We use food as medicine as an important and an integral part of our program to treat our patients with chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and especially weight loss. We have had a lot of success with our weight loss program using the smoothie in addition to other lifestyle changes that we recommend for patients. Enjoy the video. Welcome to Magnolia Health. This is a continuation of our education and nutrition program. Today I want to talk about how to make a smoothie. So this is the smoothie recipe that we use, and I'm going to go through this. This is what I give to every patient. It's called the Super Smoothie. This is a document from the Institute for Functional Medicine. So let's get to the recipe. We use 4 ounces of tea. There are 4 juices that are recommended. I prefer to use pomegranate juice, so this is our pom juice. Usually I use 1 scoop of flaxseed. So I didn't want to have to grind flaxseed here, so I brought some ground flaxseed from home. And then we have raspberry. I like to use mixed berries, so I usually combine blueberries with raspberries. And then a sweet whole fruit. And among the fruits that are listed, my preference is for pineapple and mango, but I brought pineapple for today's smoothie. And then the protein powder. Protein powder is key to this smoothie recipe. We sell several protein powders in the office, but this is my favorite. This is the Ultra Flamex Plus 360. This is what I like to use, and this specific combination of ingredients is spicy. It has rosemary, ginger, and turmeric. And then out of my garden, I like to put rosemary. Rosemary gives it flavor, and rosemary also has some medicinal qualities. So I'll wash the rosemary. I'll turn it on. Smoothie. Let's see. Actually, the thickness is good and tastes pretty good. Here's a good smoothie that could help improve your health. We want to share it with you. Share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, you can put a question down below, or you can contact our office. We are in Florence, South Carolina. And the office number is 843-432-2502. Enjoy your smoothie.